What's up YouTube, what's going on? It's Friday. I have the day off work. I'm just heading to Brandon in my turbo Civic. I'm going to review my buddy's 2016 BRZ, and my girlfriend is in my 2001 Honda Odyssey from Japan following me. So the three of us are all going to meet up at Glacier Wash and wash our cars, and then we're going to go do this car review and get some footage. Hopefully it'll be a fun day. See you guys at Glacier Wash. Oh, hey! So we got three of us lined up here at the car wash. Just getting ready to pull in here. Bit of a lineup because it's like plus 20 out, it's springtime, so everyone wants to wash their cars. It was raining all week, so. But yeah, get some footage of us washing the three cars and go get some footage and do this review. Tomorrow is my birthday, April 20th. There's supposed to be a cars and coffee meet. I kind of want to put the slicks on and do a burnout on this, so a burnout plus a cars and coffee meet would be sick. It might rain though, so we'll see what's up, but should be a good day either way, and today's gonna be awesome too, so. Yo, what's up guys? We're just on our way to Canadian Tire. Me and Tyrone and my girlfriend all went to Glacier Washed. We washed the BRZ, the Civic, and the van, and then we went and dropped the Civic off at a friend's place. And so now I'm driving the van and Tyrone is in the BRZ. We're gonna go to Canadian Tire, get gas, drinks, whatever, and get all my camera gear sorted. And then we're gonna go start this review and get some more footage. So we'll see you guys there. What's up guys, we're out here with Tyrone. He's driving the van now. Because I was driving his car, I figured I'd let him rip the van. Daniel. People everywhere. My buddy's ripping around with his right-hand drive CRV. We've seen him like 3 times now. He's just lurking. He's parks in the middle of the road. But yeah, we got the review done on the BRZ. We're gonna go try and get some exhaust clips. And yeah, might as well. Yeah, we're just following Mike. We went and got gas, did the review. I got some Starbursts that are sick. Yeah, we're just out here chilling. Some Eg6.
No Honda.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, the anti-lag I miss so much.
What's up guys? My buddy's right-hand drive Eg6 turbo, my right-hand drive van, right-hand drive CRV. I'm gonna go do some pulls with the boys. What's up guys, just cruising my buddy's right-hand drive CRV. Homie Tyrone's behind me in my right-hand drive Odyssey. right-hand drive CRV, turbo right-hand drive Eg6 SIR2. Honda squad, killing it. We're cruising 3 right-hand drive Hondas deep right now. We got a BRZ review done today. We're gonna go get some rolling shots and some exhaust clips of the BRZ. Your boy's putting in work.